So this morning on the radar, we're watching it sweep around fairly quiet for the southwest Florida coastline. And over the last hour or so, most of the rain has been down over the southern parts of Miami-Dade County and the Upper Keys as this moisture continues to stream in on an east-southeasterly breeze. The East Coast getting a break after flooding concerns yesterday, some 7 to 8 inches of rain in Broward County. As we move out towards the lake, we were tracking a few showers between Pahokee and Okeechobee earlier today. Those have all dissipated, so some wet roadways around Lake O, and the radar sweeping around quiet from the Caloosahatchee all the way up through Arcadia here this morning. So let's get you a check of the winds because it's going to steer those showers and thunderstorms that develop today over towards the southwest Florida coastline. The winds between 5 and 10. We've seen gusts as high as 10 this morning in Venice and near Ochopee, where temperatures are in the mid 70s here. Our average low this time of year is 67, and later on today we'll be well above our average of 85, hitting 88. About a 50 to 60% chance of showers and storms, and the computer model showing the wet weather wrapping around Zeta, which is likely to become a hurricane later on this morning. It is just shy of that, and we'll get you the latest on Zeta. Some of these showers and thunderstorms linger past sunset tonight, and for Tuesday, as Zeta pulls away, we're going to see a little bit drier conditions, but that east-southeasterly breeze will be with us here for the next couple of days. Here's what it looks like on the tropical satellite. NOAA hurricane hunters are finding a rapidly intensifying system here as it is slowly inching its way towards Cozumel and Cancun. Right now, the winds are at 70 miles per hour. The pressure at 990 millibars has been meandering here just south of the Isle of Youth and near the Cayman Islands for the last day or so. And you can see the forecast calls for it to be a hurricane as it makes landfall in the Yucatan and eventually heading towards the Gulf Coast yet again as a Category 1 hurricane. This portion of the country, some locations there in Louisiana and the Gulf Coast have been in a forecast cone from the Hurricane Center for 6 weeks this year. Just absolutely exhausted with this tropical season. And besides that, we are tracking the cool weather that Chris is hoping for and is moving through the central part of the country, bringing some snow from Denver all the way through Wichita. Kind of an icy mix there just north of Oklahoma City. So there are some cooler temperatures on the map. But as Zeta continues to move through the Yucatan, showers and thunderstorms here for this evening. And then once it gets in the Gulf, some drier conditions for us, especially for Wednesday and Thursday. Back here at home, if you're taking the boat out, things look pretty good. Inman Marine forecast that sees 1 to 2 feet, light chop on the bay waters, at UV index at 7. The extended forecast, we see a very slight cool down here for Halloween. Temperatures dipping into the mid 80s for the start of November.